Hi and welcome to Bikerheadz. My name's Ed and this is the Segura Scotty Glove. So the Segura Scotty Glove, what have we got here? It's a full summer glove. You've got the short cuff, all textile down the back except for on the knuckles where you've got full grain leather, and on the tips of the fingers there on those two impact points you've got the leather product. It is a sea approved product. You've got full flex textile down the back though, which is full air text as well, so you can get airflow straight through that material there. So it's a very, very cool glove for summer. When you spin it around to the palm though, you've got full grain leather all the way down the palm, so you've got the protection where it's needed. If you're going to fall off, the probability is you're going to land like this. That's where you need the protection, so they put leather in that area there to give you that. That's it, it's fully sea approved being a Segura glove, and it's beautiful detailing up the back. The gold and white stripe just sets it off perfectly, absolutely beautiful. Soft touch material around the bottom to keep it very comfortable around the wrist. It's just a great product for those summer months. If you need more information on the Segura range or this glove in particular, go to bikerheadz.co.uk. You can download our new brochure there or pick one up from stores, and please like and subscribe below.